everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Adedoyin Kitchen and More. Today I'll be showing you how I make spicy meat pie. I'll be using this flour. I'll use 2 of it, 2 flours. I'll be using this meat, that is cow meat, one they've already ground. This is my curry, this is my salt, thyme and baking powder. I will be using this carrots and potatoes, 1 onion, pepper and garlic with nutmeg and 1 Maggi. Let's get started. So I will be peeling the potatoes as well. Potatoes. So I'll be dicing the potato now. I finished grating the carrot now. So I'll put the potato in the saucepan with the carrot. I'll put them together. I'll pack the 2 together and then I'll mix them together. So I'll put my thyme, a bit of the thyme inside the carrot and the potato, and then I'll put a bit of salt, and then I'll be adding Maggi. Not all, I'll take a bit out of the Maggi, like so, just for the potato to have taste. Look at it, see? Then I'll turn it together. So I'll be adding curry a bit, because I'll still put it in the meat as well. Just a bit. Then I'll turn it. Then I'll add water. I have these 3 cups of water. I want to start frying the meat now. So I'll be using garlic, hot pepper, onions on the meat with my oil. So I'll put a bit of oil and then I'll add the garlic into the oil. I'll add the garlic inside the oil to fry. Onion. I will add thyme. and curry. Dropping the meat inside. So I'll stir it together. It's done. Then I will pour it in the mixed potato and carrot. So I'll mix all together, then I'll boil it as well. Then I will mix it together and I'll allow it to boil again, like, let me say 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. Then I'll cover it. I will be adding a bit of flour into it to make it firm. So I'll drop it in like this. Then I'll mix it together. Let it cool down. I'll allow it to cool down. I'll set it aside. I'll be putting these 2 eggs inside. So I will use this mixer to mix the egg. So it's mixing. So this is the mixed egg, milk and water. I'm using 400 grams of butter. I'll be using this spoon. 2 of it. So this is my nutmeg. I'll grate 1 teaspoon out of it. This is my nutmeg. So guys, after mixing, this is how it looks like. After mixing, look at it. Look how it looks like. So soft. Look at it. So these are the dough that I've made from the flour I mixed together. So this is sauce. I mean the potato and the carrot and the meat. These are there, and then I'll be using 1 egg and my brush with my roller, one I'll use to roll it. So let's get started. The outcome of the meat pie. Look how it's looking. It's golden color, brown. Look at it. This is the outcome of it. So yummy. Let me break one for you. There you see. Look at it. So fluffy. See? Look at how it looks. The inside is so fluffy. So if you have not subscribed on this channel, do so now. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment on the comment section. Bye. Thank you so much.